Hello guys and welcome to Amulya's Academy YouTube channel. We are discussing about the implementation of the binary search tree in Python programming language, and in the previous tutorial we discussed about pre-order traversal algorithm and we wrote a method for that. Today in this tutorial we'll discuss about in-order and post-order traversal algorithm and we'll write the method for that. So first we'll write the method for in-order traversal algorithm. So here I'll take def in order. So I'm taking the method name as in order, and here we just need self, we don't need any other parameter, and here we need to write the in order method body. So let's see what is the order of nodes in the in order traversal algorithm. In order traversal algorithm, first we need to visit left node, next root, followed by the right node, and we need to follow this order in left subtree as well as right subtree, right? So here this is the root node and this is the left subtree and this is the right subtree. As I said, in the left subtree also we need to follow the same rule. First we need to visit left node, next root and right node. So here first what I'll do is I'll check whether left subtree is present. If it is empty, then no need to visit the left subtree, right? So first I need to check whether left subtree is present. If it is present, then I'll call this in order method recursively on the left subtree. Next I'll print root key. Next here also for the right node I'll do the same thing. I'll check whether right subtree is present. If it is empty, no need to do anything. If it is present, then I'll call this in order method recursively. So here we just need to change the order of these statements, that's it. Here first we need to visit left child, so I need to write this Ctrl C. I need to check whether L child is present. If it is, then call this in order method recursively in order. Next print roots key. After visiting the left subtree, left node, you need to print the root key in the middle. Lastly, I need to check if self.rchild. If it is present, then call self.rchild in order. Call this method recursively. Here you can see in the pre-order, first we need to visit roots key, next L child, next R child. Here first L child, root node, next R child. Okay, so here just print a message. This is pre-order traversal algorithm. So pre-order here, and here also you can use end. Okay, now we are done with the in order method. So let me call that. Let's execute this. Can't use this like this, just print here. Before calling the method, just take pre-order, otherwise we'll get confused which is pre-order, which is in order. So that's why we can't use that up. We can't use that in the method. So if I do that, you saw the output, right? Here you can see pre-order is this, in order is this. In the in order traversal algorithm, we'll get the nodes in the sorted order, in the ascending order. Here you can see that 1, 3, 6, 7, 10, 98. Alright, so this is about in order traversal algorithm. Next, let's write the method for post order traversal algorithm. So here def post order. I'll take the name as post order and we need just self. So what is the order in the post order traversal algorithm? First we need to visit left node, right node, next root. In the last we need to visit the root node, right? So first left node, and if left subtree is present, then you need to follow the same rule. So first I'll check whether self.lchild is present. If it is present, then I'll call this method recursively post order. Then I need to check if self.rchild is present. If it is yes, then self.rchild, call the post order method on the rchild. Lastly, you need to visit the root node. Print self dot key. This is the order in the post order. In the post order, first we need to visit the L child, R child, and lastly we need to print the key, root's key. So now if you observe these three methods, here you can see the order clearly. In the pre-order, we'll visit root's key. After that, we'll check whether L child is present, left subtree is present. If left subtree is present, we'll call this pre-order again because we need to traverse the left subtree in the same way. We need to visit root node, L child, R child. That's why we are calling this method again. After completing this, we need to visit the R child. We are checking whether right subtree is present. If it is present, call this method again. And coming to the in order, in the in order, first we need to visit left child, next root, next R child. In the post order, we need to visit L child, R child, lastly root. Okay, let's call this. So, and call root dot post order. End is equal to. So here we can see pre-order, in order, and post order. Sorry, here you need to write post order. Pre-order, in order, and post order. If you have any doubt, you can construct the tree from this and you can traverse that manually and you can compare the output. And here I won't trace in order and post order method because in the previous tutorial I explained you how pre-order method works line by line. So that's why I won't trace this method today. But this is the exercise for you. You need to trace these two methods. You need to see how it works. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.